Sar Pheah are the most popular gifts visitors take away from Penang. Most visitors leave with boxes of these iconic traditional biscuits synonymous with this state. Their Sar biscuit has crumbly flaky golden brown crusts. The green bean paste filling is nicely moist. The biscuit tastes mildly savory sweet with a hint of shallot oil flavor and aroma. Soon Heang Biscuit at Jalan Kuantan, Georgetown, is one of the last handmade Sar biscuit shops left in Penang. Their Sar Pheah is tasty as well. Comes with a flaky crust and soft caramel, perfect for a tea break. Artisanal shops like Soon Heang make excellent traditional biscuits, the centuries-old way. I would suggest you to call 2 to 3 days before to pre-order your freshly baked biscuit. They don't hold much ready stocks and often sold out daily. They are open daily except Sunday, at 9 a.m. closed by 4 p.m.